How to log in UniCredit Bank online banking. First, open your web browser and type in www.unicreditgroup.eu or your country's UniCredit website. Make sure you're on the official site to avoid scams. You should see a Login or Online Banking button on the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it. On the login page, enter your username or customer ID and password or PIN provided by UniCredit. If it's your first time logging in, you may need to register your account by selecting First Time User or Register and following the instructions. For extra security, UniCredit will send you a one-time password, OTP, to your registered mobile number or mobile banking app. Enter this code when prompted to verify your identity. This step helps keep your account safe. Thanks for watching.